Recently, I was browsing YouTube and decided to search for CSGO trading. As I am the only CSGO YouTuber focusing on trading, it is always interesting to see which videos pop up. And one definitely caught my interest. CSGO-Trading Guide 2022. The best way to trade skins for profit by Hotfire. Maybe I can learn something new. So I decided to watch it and I was surprised. In the video titled "The Best Way to Trade Skins for Profit", the guy was just using the trading bot site Skins Monkey. And using this or other bot trading site is not bad. You can definitely make a profit there if you know a lot about skins and are lucky and determined. But he was using it without any calculations, and I can say he definitely didn't make any profit in the video at all. So I looked a bit deeper into videos like that, and what I found was really interesting and in some sort very sketchy. So welcome to CSGO Trader reacting to bad trading advice. And I can tell you, there's definitely a lot out there. This week I'm giving away an M4 Nightmare. To enter, like every week, just subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment something down below and send me a trade via the trade link in the first comment below. Also a big thanks to all my Patreons and channel supporters. If you want to learn more about CSGO trading or just want the help, price checks of a professional CSGO trader right at your hand, you can find all of that there. Thanks! So before we start, a short disclaimer. I do not want to hate on anybody. This video focuses on education and showing that many videos, on purpose or not, are telling wrong things to the viewers. As many viewers are under the age of 18 and probably are not that experienced with CSGO trading and prices, the chance that there are people tricking them into own gain, for example through referral links, are pretty high. So we start with the infamous CSGO-Trading Guide 2022. The best way to trade CSGO skins for profit. Where the creator of the video, Hotfire, in his own words talks about the best options for CSGO trading. And in the first minutes he talks about bot trading sites like Skins Monkey. They are the sponsor of this video, so he advertises it a bit of course, but fair for him, in the end of this section he says, bot trading sites are convenient, but you will most likely lose money. Which is a bit odd as the video title says, the best way to trade skins for profit, but okay. He ends the video recommending CSGO bot trading sites, because losing 10 to 15% is good in exchange for the convenient, which I just disagree with, and the video is titled Profit. Why should I make profit when I lose 10 to 15%? There are many markets that you can sell your items for a max of 5% fee. There are traders that are very happy to trade with you at lower fees than 10% and even starting to 2.5% if you trade with me. So in my opinion, there are definitely people out there that prefer the convenience, but most just don't know what else to do. And I think these alternatives should be mentioned in the video. Next up, we are looking at From Low Skins to Knife Money! CSGO Trade Tutorial by Giorgio. He said, I found a new cool site and is sponsored by it. Oh no, I am getting some weird T. Martin flashbacks here. He continues, the site is very good with their prices. And of course it's Skins Monkey again. Seems like everybody is sponsored by Skins Monkey. Maybe you want to sponsor... they probably won't sponsor me after this video. But seeing the site and comparing the prices, where he says the prices are very good, we can just see that your skins are 23.5% less than the same skin on the site. I don't know if these are fair prices. Especially comparing it to cheaper options like Traders or Buff163, where you can trade for 2.5%. But yeah. Next we look at the best CSGO trading site to use in 2022. fair prices. Please, please don't be Skins Monkey. Oh, never mind. It is. If you look at other videos of the creator, you will see that he mostly compares prices with cash value, so buff163. But around the 1 minute mark in his video, he argues that a trade on the bot side is very good because the deal is better than selling your item on Steam and buying the new item there. So basically he's saying the site takes less than 15%. Wow. But I wouldn't be that mad, as there are really people out there that do that if they want a new item. They just sell it on Steam and buy a new one. And like 5 years ago, most people did that. But as this is somebody that normally gives investing advice and 100% knows that every trader and markets like buff163 offer the same for a smaller loss, this doesn't seem like an honest opinion, because in the end he wouldn't do it himself. So next up in this video, he compares Skins Monkey to other bot trading sites, because he wants to prove his point that this is his own opinion and not because he's getting paid. No. And he gives an example of TradingGG and CS Money where the same deal would be worse for him, and this is okay, but not really says anything about the site. Just because deals on these bot trading sites vary a lot. They use different price sources, they use different cuts. Their deals there just vary. Sometimes you can get a very good deal, and sometimes you can find the worst deal ever. Like on CS Money, where you nearly lose 300%. But of course there are better deals on CS Money too. So showing one example and comparing it with two sites and saying then yes, Skins Monkey is the best site is not really fair. Just my honest opinion here, it would be way better to compare Skins Monkey to more sites than just these two. Which is not hard with liquid items like an AK frontside Misty he used in the video. Next up to the pricing. He says in his video, sites like TradingGG raise the value of items in general to make you think your item is worth more. Let's just look at Skins Monkey if we can find an indicator that they might do that too, maybe? So yeah, this is just understandable, as even bot trading sites have realized that it is way better for them to look at the real money value of an item instead of Steam. When they make profit and they cash that out, they won't sell the item on Steam. But as many players use Steam, it would be bad to let them see that their items are less than they think. For example, if you're just a normal player and you check your orb skeleton on Steam and you see it goes for around $1.20, you would be just disappointed to see it going for 90 cents, which is the cash value, on a marketplace. So as example, my StatTrack AK Redline is valued at nearly $45 on CS Money, on CSGO-Exo only at $38. The Steam price is $40 and the cash value is $30. So you see the prices are all over the place, but in the end it doesn't matter, as the only important thing for the user in the end is a correlation between these prices, so the cut or the fee that the website takes. So CS Money, for example, may value my orb prints for 10 times its price. As long as they do that for the items on the site too, it doesn't change anything. So these values are really site-only values, and they should be always compared to reliable price sources like buff163 or other markets. At last, he trades his minimal wear orb Sig Tiger for field-tested Eclipse gloves at a 10% loss. And he said this trade is very good because it is better than losing 15% to Steam, which is true, but there are still better alternatives. And the Sig Tiger sells rarely, and it is very hard to sell it. Okay, first, the Eclipse gloves are not way more liquid than the Sig Tiger. And first, a 10% loss is a lot. And it is a lot because there are way cheaper and not that much more inconvenient methods out there. If you would offer a trader this Sig Tiger with around 5% profit, I am pretty sure they would take it with a smile. At least I would. So send me trade offers. Also, this Sig Tiger is not an unliquid item. Of course, it sells more rarely than an AK frontside Misty, but it is still not hard to sell within 1 or 3 days, losing you only 2.5% and giving you buff balance, where you can way easier spend it and can also way easier get a better deal than on a bot trading site. So again, his arguments have some point, but these are things an experienced trader like he is knows just better and wouldn't do himself. Then we come to best way to trade CSGO skins in 2022. There are many best ways it seems. And it's a video by Fluent and he says, I will show you the best way to trade CSGO skins with losing the lowest amount of value possible. What a nice guy. The best way to trade CSGO skins are bot trading sites, but do not use CS Money as their prices are very bad. I totally agree that the prices on CS Money are bad and are very misleading for the customer, but like I said above, the prices they show do not matter. They only matter in the correlation with the prices they offer. So it depends on the cut they are taking. And if you followed my videos, you know that I often make big profitable trades on CS Money, so just saying they have bad prices and you will lose big time every trade is just not true. The rest of the video advertises sniping items on CSGO Empire as the best method to trade. I agree that there is profit to be made, but advertising this as the best way to trade CSGO skins, I don't know, my dude. To sum that up, in many trading and investing videos, people are pushing viewers to use Skins Monkey or other alternatives, a site where they are sometimes conveniently sponsored by or have a referral code on. So I don't say that these methods are bad. I just advise you to do your own research and comparison before trading there. And so let's end this video by checking the last video of today. From $10 to a CSGO knife in 2022. Is it possible? And wait, this is just a skin club video with trading tags? Okay.